I feel like a nice black shelf is such a staple in a household because it is so versatile. You could be using it for so many different things. My husband just finished putting this together. He said it was so simple to do. I don't even think it took him 15 minutes, which is great. So this is like a half and half. You have part engineered wood and then the other part you have metal. So the shelving part here is that wood, and then the base around here is metal, which is really great because you know that it is going to be reinforced. This right here is 33 inches in height. It is 14 inches wide and it is 41 inches long. So you've got some really good space here. And obviously, as you can see, you do have the 3 shelves. It is all open concept. This is really great whether you want to have this like in your entryway for maybe some shoes. You can of course have this in, you know, your living room, dining room. You can even have this kind of like in your kitchen if you don't have like a pantry or anything like that. It does come with like some little like zip tied style type that if you wanted to kind of attach this to like a wall or a post. In my opinion, I don't think it would be like super cute because you'd end up seeing the zip tie, but that's completely up to you. But yeah, I think this is a really great shelf, definitely versatile.